Guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Discord and you will click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Discord app. If you find updates, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.